What's good, guys? So I started tearing into this. Lady wants to bring me some gas line and pay me to fix it, and she wants to buy it. So I already got this thing out, the little filter thing. I think it just fell out. See if we can get you in here a little bit. We're gonna take these damn covers off right here. I was gonna fix it, I don't think I'm allowed in Lowe's or something. It's the closest thing to my house. I made a marketplace ad for this. Well, you can have it for 20. It runs if it's completely full. But they give me another $20. I'll change the hoses in it. She's like, I'll take it. So that's pretty cool. I figured we'd make a little bit of a video on it. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and say we're going to need to change them both. Have some way. I think I just got to take the bolt up. Tata, you stay over here. So I'm going to go find me, what is that, 8mm? 9. Gotta go find more tools. Well, you know how it is. You go in there for one damn thing, you come back with a bunch of other crap that you don't need. Just to find out it's still sitting in the bottom of your tool bag or something. I'm about to just nip it with some pliers. Got something. Dang, who put them on there? Tight. She's supposed to be here in like an hour or so. Figured I'd take it apart. See what we can do. Just taking the bolts out of the box. Just taking the bolts out to the carburetor right here. I think this whole thing comes out. Something kind of like that. Should have cleaned up a little bit. Not too bad. As far as the lines go, yes, exactly. It goes to the primer bulb, it looks like. I'll take one of these apart before. I forget you gotta undo something here. Somewhere. It goes with the triggers. Well, I know she's not gonna bring the right shit. Let's take the cover off of this too. Just so I can get to the back of that primer bulb. How does that not fit in there? Ew, nasty. It got nasty. We're gonna clean her up a little bit. I have never taken this one apart. So I need another screwdriver. Dang. You guys are so picky when it comes to this shit. And then I go dig in another box. And another box. I mean, when does it end? Is it that big one? Sure look like it. Somebody's getting their ass chewed over there at school. Oh, shit. Well, we need that one. That's the hose we need. Did the other one break? Nope, not. Nope. Okay, so we're still good there. Okay. So, get you in here. I don't know if you can see a damn thing, but all I'm doing is replacing the main one, the big one, that goes into the tank. Like it just broke off again. Well, anyways, so that's what I'm doing today. It's like fun, don't it? It stinks. I'm gonna start cleaning it up. I'm gonna wait for the new hose. Ty, what are you doing? She says she's doing fine. This thing is a royal pain in the ass, guys. What the fuck? How do you get that off? I'm still trying to get it. What a joke. My hands are so slimy. You want to watch me sit here and struggle? Is that good? Can you see something? I don't know. Try to take this thing off. Somebody's already bent it. I can feel it. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, these are still good. So we're okay there. I just need this one. Oh, yeah. So I can just poke it through. I think it just went. I'm not going to try it with that. We're going to wait for the new stuff. Good God. Look how much crap just came. What the fuck is that? All this crap that was in here just... I don't even know how it ran. Oh shit, the magnet's right there. She is just packed. She was probably about on her way out anyway. I'm gonna take that thing off and clean it. A wise man once told me, always keep your nuts and bolts in the same place so you don't ever lose them. That's a very good fact. You should do that. You should very well do that. So I thought I had some carburetor spray. I was going to spray this down, but I don't. So I just been using this toothbrush. I got quite a bit of crap out of it. So I'm going to work on this nasty. Who gets satisfied with this? Oh God, it's caked on there. Holy shit. That's got to be a little over a quarter of an inch thick. That's crazy. That's nasty. That's what that is. Oops. Break it, dummy. Break it. Get all up in them crevices. Just like that. Get all up in there, boy. What movie was that? That dude's digging in his belly button. What the hell? Good God. That's great. Nope, I'm out. And now if you look at it from a very fine distance, it's clean, right? Okay. That's what we're looking for here, because she's going to go right back to work, I guess. So, and it's going to get dirty like the very first damn time you... So there's no point. I can't put that back together because I don't have no hose. So now, I guess we clean other things. We'll hit this with the hose. Maybe this too. This thing is so nasty. Holy shit. I just want it out of here, or she's going to want trees cut down and stuff. I don't want to do all that. That sound fair? Does that sound fair? Hi, how you guys doing today? Selling my shit, guys. Well, this isn't too dirty. A little there in the middle. She got hot. She sure did. Oh, I'm gonna go finish cleaning this and wait for hose. Guys, little tiny, she's got a new home to go to tonight. Thank you, Denise. We're gonna come pick her up tonight, I guess. She's gonna be a house kitty cat. I'm not choked up just yet, but it's gonna happen. So sometime this evening, this lady's gonna come pick her up. We'll talk more about this in a little bit. Green chopper. How would you guys deal with this, man? What would you do? Like, I can't do nothing with her being here. Like, it's been like probably about 9 years now. What would you do? I don't have a choice. But I was told that if she doesn't get along with the other animals in the house or whatever, that she's going to, like, she'll give her to somebody else or whatever. Like, she'll eventually find... Denise is involved, so, like, she's going to take care of it. She says she's been working on it. And, like, man, I appreciate you helping me figure this one out. This is, like, probably one of the biggest struggles I think I've ever been through in my life. And, you know, and then, like, turning 40 and everything, 43, so you going through that midlife crisis bullshit. You know, it's just... I'm just saying. There's a lot of things going on. Kind of puts you in check, doesn't it? But anyways, she's on the way right now with the gas line. I'm gonna finish this chainsaw up, and now we have to record fast because they're gonna wait on me, I guess. Right, you gonna help me? So we got two different size hoses here. The big one comes from the tank, goes straight to the primer bulb, and two little ones, one goes into the carburetor, and one goes back into the tank. So I like to take these and cut that hose so it has a little bit of a point on it. Just a little bit, you know. It's a bit easier to go in. This might just kick my butt. Well, this shit just got personal. I don't know if the hose is too big or what the hell's going on here. Made the hole just a little bit bigger. Trying to force this thing through. Patience. Patience. It's for this kid. I think he wanted it. I told him he'd come back here, but you know the deal. And that was a good bite too. Come on, I'm almost there. Anyways, well, after all that, I got it through. That was not a pain in the butt whatsoever, I promise. Now, we chop the bad end off. I done mangled the hell out of it. Give me that other thing. This. So you just squeeze it on there like that. Just like that. That one's done. This one goes to the primer bulb, which is this one. So we can just cut a little bit off. They're out in the car waiting for me, so I'm trying to hurry up here. And I've already messed with about an hour now. Here's the big one. Now, carburetor device. This goes on just like this. Okay, so the top one goes back into the tank. These hoses are just junk. These ones were a little bit better, but now let's cut this in half here. This one, my goodness, man. Oh, what the hell? There we go. I was gonna say that. Why? Why? All right, there's that one. This one goes to the primer bulb. Also, see, those all tight. a little tight. Okay. And this one goes down into the tank. We'll have her running in no time. Okay. My next trick, get this one in there. Same thing all over again. Well, I almost have her put back together. I don't know if they're still sitting out there, hopefully. I'm sorry guys, if you see this video. I tried hurrying. Man, that was something else. They definitely make their lines or something different. Versus like when it comes brand new, because they are just a little bit bigger. I had to dig out drill holes out just a little bit bigger so I get the hose in. Otherwise, that was a fight. They still ain't gonna leak, but dang. Make these diameters right, China. I think all there is to it now is to pretty much dump some gas into it and see what she does. Basically, got one cover left. I should wait, but it's probably gonna bite me in my ass. If it runs, we're sending her out the door. Like, I don't want to mess with it no more. Where'd the tool go? Got gas. Oh, there we go. She can run. She can run. Well, what do you want? See, I told you. Putting that damn thing on there. Should have waited. Well, I did get it running, but I don't have any regular gas. The gas that I have mixed up for a two-stroke has way too much oil in it. So, like, she fires off, smokes like crazy. And I told her to just get fresh gas for it, whatever. He took off with it. So maybe they're gonna cut some trees down or something. I don't know. I mean, what do you do with a chainsaw? Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna spend some time with my little girl right now because like she's gonna be leaving probably about 5:30 tonight. So I don't know if I'm gonna video it. I might. If I do, it's gonna be a different video. She needs her own, you know. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this type of thing, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe. Write me a comment. I reply to all my comments, and I thank you guys all for your love and support you guys give me. It means so much. If it wasn't for this YouTube thing, Tiny wouldn't have a place to go. So I thank that, and I thank Denise for helping me. With all that being said, yo, you guys have a blessed day. Peace.